I've just taken the engine out of the Savetta. It's fairly easy, to be honest. Bolts wasn't seized. There's the cowlings on the grills. There's the engine and the little trolley thing. Maybe just get cleaned up and get new bearings and seals. And probably a new clutch. Cleaning it with a bit of petrol and a toothbrush, trying to get some of the old grit and oil off. She's LI 150. Got to paste the mag housing. There's bits broken off, as you can see, and there's a cylinder stud rim missing. Also noticed previous owners of the scooter before I got it shot blasted the rear wheel and they've gone right through the rim, but get new rim, to be fair. So yeah, coming along, day one of the Lambretta project. Hopefully the engine shouldn't give me any more problems. Hopefully it should strip down quite easily. Thanks for watching.